What if I told you there's an Outer Banks home where you can watch the sunrise over the Atlantic Ocean and end your day with breathtaking sunsets over the Sound without ever leaving home? Welcome to Southridge. Over 25 feet above sea level, this coastal retreat offers panoramic views of the ocean, Sound, dunes, and iconic Jockey's Ridge. Built in 2019 with a thoughtfully designed reverse floor plan, every detail of this home was created to maximize what makes Outer Banks living so special: the views. Step inside and you are immediately welcomed with soaring vaulted ceilings, walls of windows, and natural light pouring through the home. At the center of it all is a beautifully designed kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and an open layout perfect for gathering family and friends. Whether it's sunrise coffee or sunset dinners, the scenery is always worth the experience. The top-level primary suite feels like a private retreat, complete with peaceful Sound views and a spa-inspired bath featuring a stunning custom tile shower. With 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2 spacious primary suites, and private deck access from every bedroom, everyone gets their own front row seat to the coastal lifestyle. And after a long beach day, this covered entertaining space is the perfect place to grill and relax and unwind with family and friends. A second living room downstairs offers flexibility for guests, movie nights, or a private escape. And when it comes to location, you're just minutes from Jockey's Ridge, Sound and Ocean access, Jeanette's Pier, restaurants, shopping, and some of the best attractions the Outer Banks has to offer. High, dry, and beautifully built, this isn't just a home, it's Outer Banks living at its best. For more information or for a private showing, please give me a call. And don't forget, please like and subscribe below for more 411 on the Outer Banks.